I went out to my shop and thought I'd rig up some weights to do some bicep curls. I want to know if anybody wants to come up and try to curl an anvil. Can anyone try it? No one wants to try it? I just want to prove the anvil's real. David, come on.
I did it already. I'm done.
No, come here. I got to prove it's real. Come and try it.
I absolutely did it.
Come on, David.
I'll show you.
Come on.
Watch your hernia.
You'll be the one that said it.
There's no way.
No way to bicep curl it, right? Let me show you how it's done. Yeah, I can't do it either.
Thank you, Paul. I appreciate that.
But I did say that I wanted to lift the anvil, and I figured out a different way to do it. I can't do it with my arms. I can't bicep curl it. But see, this piece goes right here.
Oh, no way.
Are you on the bill plan?
Oh, my.
All my teeth are still intact. Thank you.